morning. Welcome back to another moving vlog. Give you guys a little bit of an update. This is what our living room is looking like currently. But this is pretty much everything that's left, which, I mean, it obviously looks like a lot. But we still have to go through some of the stuff. There's a lot of donations. That's what we've got going on. There's a little bit of stuff left upstairs and then in our room. And I still have the bathroom to do. So that is what we're going to do today. I am so tired. We have just had the busiest summer ever, and it has not slowed down. So I think my body is just starting to shut down on me. And that's just what happens sometimes when I push myself too far. So it's been a lot. I will not sugarcoat that. It has been really hard trying to move across the country while also working a 9 to 5. So it's been a little rough on your girl, but we are trying to just take it day by day. I look so tired because I am. I did just go back to sleep because I know that my body needed it. So we are getting some things done today. So I'm excited to not be in two places at the same time. We will be getting our keys in 2 weeks, so I cannot believe that. I'm so excited. But for now, we are going to finish packing up the house. So we only have about 6 weeks left in this apartment, so we need to make sure it's like ready to go. So that being said, we are going to get some things done. The hard part about that is we are in two completely different states and two completely different corners of the country. So flying back and forth is not always the most fun. We both have our headphones on because we're locking in. Gotta lock in, baby. We gotta lock in. I think what we're going to do is whatever is going in the car is going to go back in the closet so that it's just out of the way because we are not driving the car for basically another month. I just wanted to pull everything out so we could see it. And then this side is starting to be donations. So we will be putting all the donating stuff on this side and then all the things that need to be either shipped or all the shipped things go here, and then everything that's going in the car is going in there. At least that is the plan. Mike ordered us lunch. I'm probably screaming, but Mike ordered us some lunch so that we can get some more things done. What do you think, Bravey? The cats are not having it right now, you guys. Here she goes. You're fine? Okay. Titus has completely dissociated and just gone outside, so that's fine. It is time to start on the bathroom. I am so over this moving process already, but we are almost done. I can kind of see the light at the end of the tunnel, but it has been quite the journey. So today, I don't think the bathroom's going to take me very long because I really don't have that much stuff. But yeah, we're almost done. We get our keys here pretty soon. I already bought some things for our bathroom. So honestly, it's just going to be like products and things I want to keep that will end up being probably shipped there, which is not a lot. So this will be nice because I can pretty much throw away most of the stuff we have in here. But that's the plan. I would love to start on the loft today. I don't know as far as like our office goes, but we'll see how much energy I have. I don't really have much right now, so I'm just starting with the smaller project. This is the update of the living room. Right now, some of this is being sold, and then we've got the big plastic bags that need to be packed away or shipped or whatever. So these are mostly clothes, blankets, linens, all the things. So this is the corner of the house where everything's going to either be sold or it's ready to be packed up. So that's kind of what's happening here. The closet is looking a lot better than it was. This will also be what is being put in the car. This is being sold. And then some of these bags are actually going with me tomorrow. So we are going to the resale store tomorrow to sell, I think there's 5 bags in there. Something I don't know is what the style of our new bathroom is gonna be. This one, we did a lot of like blues and browns and made it very beachy. Added just a little bit of color here in the house because I'm just like a neutral queen, but I also loved the turquoise is my favorite color, and I feel like this is the only place to add turquoise. So I don't know, I feel like we could just keep the same stuff and do it that way. But what is your guys' like vibe for your bathroom? Because I feel like that's like the hardest thing I can think of when it comes to actually like decorating a space or like creating a space. Like, is it more so like less is more? Are you doing more neutrals to make it more spa vibes, or are you, you know, spicing it up a little bit and adding color? Mike said black was the color he wanted to do, which we could definitely do. So I don't know, what's your guys' like vibe in your bathroom? Is it, you know, that's like the hardest thing I can find. I'm literally so tired, I cannot like even function. It's just one of those things. I feel like this has really taken a lot out of me, and I am obviously very grateful and I'm excited and all the things, but it doesn't mean that it has not been hard. And we have, obviously, I've been working full 9-to-5 job while also moving, so that has not been easy. But we're almost there. It's pretty much the home stretch now, so I'm excited for that. But I figured I would just obviously keep it real with you guys as we do on this channel, and just try to keep swimming. So I love these because my Aunt Brooke got me these. I just think they're cute. I've always had them in my bathroom. This is going on the 8th year I would have these in my bathroom. So do we just keep it going, or do we keep it in a keepsake box? Do we give it away? I don't know. This is my problem. I'm kind of a hoarder because I'm sentimental, so it's hard when everything you have feels like it's sentimental. So I'm just like, okay, well, like, how many sentimental things can I really keep? Like, not everything. So the cats are definitely not really having it with us right now. Titus has pretty much been sleeping outside and has completely dissociated. Ellie has not really left my side. Huh, pretty girl. Come here. Oh. And Bravey just does not know what to think about all her stuff not being in the spot that she likes it. So back to the food. Eat our problems away. That's what I do to Zelly. Yes, this is a picture of Titus on my shirt. What kind of cat parent would I be if I did not wear my cat's face on my t-shirt? Oh, I am stressed out is I'm starting to break out, and I usually don't break out very much unless I'm like on my period, but I'm not, so that's how I know it's been a little stressful, because I'm starting to get a few breakouts that are coming in, and that is never fun to deal with. What do you think, Bravey? It's not really having it. It's kind of crazy, huh? All our stuff is everywhere. Yeah. They are not loving the fact that everything's just kind of everywhere right now, but that is what happens when you're moving. So I'm gonna get started on some of my bathroom stuff and then see if I can get it a little bit more organized and ready to go. I am leaving Tuesday to head back to Seattle, so I really only have tonight and some of tomorrow to get it done, and then I'm back there for the next couple weeks until I basically come here for one last weekend, and then we have to leave. So it's hitting me sad. It is obviously exciting. It will be really exciting when I get the keys to our new place and I'll have like a place that we know everything is going. But right now it's just overwhelming and a lot. So put my earphones on, watch a YouTube video, and just get to work now. Part of the reason why we're doing this is because I have things in here that I obviously do not use. I've had these curlers in here probably for 3 years. I can't tell you the last time I used them, so we are going to donate them. COVID, that's how you know that I lived through COVID and I was a flight attendant, because we had the American Airlines branded masks that we were required to wear on the plane for 2 years. And I still have some in here, which is crazy. Forgot I got this one.
Yes, that's what I was trying to say. I was like, where's your other one at?
This is Mike's spin, so he has to go through this one. Oh, knocking everything down. Knocking everything down. What's up with that? Oh, it's a party. Zelly's in here too. Yay! My trusty companion. You're in all the vlogs. Oh. This is you. Look. I honestly don't know where the time goes. Because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's already almost 4 o'clock, which is like really late in the day for me. But I have to remember that I've obviously been working today also. But I feel like, oh, I haven't gotten anything done. But that's just because I am looking at the moving part of the house and feeling like there's been no progress, which is not the case. We have like listed our stuff on Marketplace. We have sold a bunch of stuff. We are pretty much so close to being ready to go. So we've actually made so much progress, but it doesn't seem like it, doesn't feel like it. And so I'm just kind of like, okay, when is it going to feel like we are moving? Not that it doesn't necessarily feel like that. It's hard to explain. But I'm like, it's 3:45 right now, and I cannot believe it, because I'm like, I feel like I haven't done anything. But I have been working all day, so there's that. I am going to sit down on my living room floor, and I'm going to go through our seasonal boxes that need to be prepped to ship this week. I actually think I'm probably the one that's going to be shipping it tomorrow. Or a few of them at least, because Mike will be gone, and then he's pretty much going to be in Seattle with me all next week. So it's all about timing right now, especially with kind of our schedules. So I have a flight tomorrow afternoon, but it's not until 4 o'clock. So I'm hoping I can get a few things done before we actually leave, because he's going to meet me in Seattle, I think this weekend. I don't know. I need to confirm with him that that's what he wants to do. Because there's a high chance that he ends up wanting to stay here and get stuff done. I don't know, you guys. My life's a mess. We're just rocking with it, so. Yes? Sally. Yes, sweet girl. That is the current state of my room. This is really embarrassing, but it's reality. How's Ellie? You're coming with us, don't worry. I'm gonna lock in. Hair is in a bun because we cannot be bothered. I made a good little salmon bowl for dinner, and then yeah, now we just have to figure out what's coming and what's not. This mirror is not coming with us, so oh. The wine is poured, carrying big on the big screen while we pack.